Next question is a very important government scheme, what is called as Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. Earlier this scheme was called as Sampada Yojana, but later the government renamed as Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, and it is one of the most important schemes of Ministry of Food Processing Industries. It is a very important, the most important scheme of Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Okay, so your answer here is B, Ministry of Food Processing Industries. It's a simple question, but they can, UPSC can ask in different way regarding this Sampada Yojana. So we'll see it, what are the major features of this Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, but key thing is that it is implemented by Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Now, this government of India has approved a new, see, one important point about this scheme is that it's a central sector scheme. It is a central sector scheme. If it is a central sector scheme, means it is fully funded by the central government. And so, this scheme is also called by the name a scheme for agro-marine processing and development of agro-processing clusters. See, from the term itself, you will understand that the scheme basically aims at improving the processing of agro and marine products as well as development of agro-processing clusters which India lacks. So, because of lacking of agro-processing clusters, what is happening is that a lot of agri-products, mainly horticultural products, fruits and vegetables, there is huge agri-wastage happening in relation to fruits and vegetables, mainly because of lack of agro-processing clusters and sufficient cold chain. So, that will be addressed by this particular scheme. That is, we will increase the processing and clusters. We will increase agro-marine processing in the form of development of agro-processing clusters. So from the term itself, you understand that processing, it's basically the scheme is about processing. That's why this scheme comes under Food Processing Industries, not under Ministry of Agriculture. Even though the term Kisan is there, don't get confused, okay? It is coming under Ministry of Food Processing Industries. And now, 6,000 crore have been allocated to this scheme, and this scheme is one important specialty or unique feature of this scheme is that unlike other central sector scheme or centrally sponsored scheme, this scheme is especially mentioning a very important point that it is for a 5-year tenure. The scheme is for 5 years, and this 5 year is co-terminus with 14th Finance Commission time period. So, this statement have been repeated in the newspaper as well as in PIB. So, maybe this can be a potential statement for you. So, the time period is 1620. And it is the same time period of 14th Finance Commission cycle. We know that this scheme is implemented by the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, and the objective of this scheme is to supplement agriculture. Is to supplement the agriculture, mainly the farmers, to improve the farmers' income, plus modernize processing and reduce or decrease agri-wastage. So, if you know these points, if a question comes, you can easily answer a question related with Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana.